Hey there, I hope you're alright. Today we're Friday the 27th, I think, and I'm in the 16th arrondissement. I took some pictures. I was saying I took some pictures here at Avenue de Camoens, which is a nice street where a lot of vloggers come to take pictures with the Eiffel Tower in the back. I took 2 of them, or 3. That's all. So today is my day off. I'm happy because I was able to finally sleep for a long time during the week, and I was supposed to go to a market near mine because they sell a lot of vintage stuff, but of course I didn't wake up on time, and when I went there it was already too late. And also did my eyebrows, which I'm happy about. Anyway, now I'm going to just walk around and show you the city, I guess. I'm walking in the park near La Tour Eiffel, and I had no idea about it. It's quite cute. Just make you stroll, do some exercising also. But it's nice. I love discovering some places in Paris all the time. City is beautiful, actually. I just don't really like being here. But the city is pretty. So now I need to find the exit. I guess I'm going to try here. And I'm going to go to Trocadero. Try to take some more pictures. And it doesn't seem there are a lot of people today outside, so it's perfect timing. Let's go. It seems that the water level of the Seine has risen again, and like abnormally, because usually I don't think that the water are that high. It's quite scary, but yeah, here you have the beautiful Eiffel Tower. Hello back. So I finished, I think it's 6:36. I finished ironing all my clothes. There was a pile of them, way too much. I think it was the result of like 4 washing machines, and it's been there for a week, so I needed to do it. Every time I need to iron this many clothes, I'm like, okay, Noemi, stop buying clothes, you have enough of them. And then I just end up doing a new shopping order, so maybe there's something not working here. Anyway, I'm just going to continue washing Criminal Minds, eat my dinner, and then have a call with some friends, and then filming my video, hopefully, I don't know, or maybe I will do it tomorrow on Sunday and post it on Monday. I just want to post it on Sunday, but anyway, I might not sleep a lot. See ya. So today we're Sunday, and it's a fun day, apparently. I'm going to go to do some shopping. Oh my god, I put too much highlight. Yeah, I'm going for a shopping session today and some photo shoot session as well. I'm going to go to Les Marais because I need some new bike boots. Mine are completely distracted. So basically here, the sole, as you can see, it's a Danzo deal. I tried to repair it like many times, but I think it's just also I have a kind of a problem with my feet. So I think it didn't help, and it's the second time that I have this problem with this pair of boots. So I hope the next one will be better. Finger crossed. For that I'm going to go to Genac, and then after that I want to go to Les Champs-Élysées, to the Sephora. And then yeah, I wanted to take also some pictures around the Palais Royal and the bridge Alexandre 3 or 3rd. Well, you know. Yeah, that's all. So let's go for this day of adventure and fun. So right now, I hope you can hear me. So right now it's raining, and I think my operation taking pictures in Paris has to be aborted. Anyway, I will do some pictures at home. It's 10 to 6 p.m. I've been back for an hour or so from my walk. As I showed you in the last footage, it was raining a lot. And I didn't have my umbrella because before going out, I checked the weather to see if it was going to rain. And they say it's not going to rain before 6 p.m. So I was like, okay. And guess what happened? It rained before 6 p.m. and it rained a lot. I was a bit pissed because I really wanted to enjoy some time out. Because during the week I'm never going out because I don't have time. Curfew is at 6. I work all day long, and the only kind of work I have during the week is when I go to do my groceries, which is 2 minutes away from home. But yeah, it's life, you know, it's part of this new normal or new thing, so I have to comply with the rules and with the capricious weather. Anyway, now I'm going to take some pictures for my Instagram, and that's all. Oh yeah, also when I was trying to go home, I tried to go to Zara because I wanted to buy some sweater, because I had 2 sweaters from there, 2 wool sweater I think, or kind of something like this, and they were very comfy and very warm, and I wanted to buy some new ones, but the queue was awfully long. And I think it's a good thing, good signs, because I said that I needed to stop buying clothes from Zara for a little while. I guess it was for a good cause. Also, I just wanted to show you my shoes that I bought at Genac. Lovely brand from France, I guess. Yeah, I think it's made in France. And so I'm going to show you now. So yeah, I've bought these ones. They're very cute. Actually, I wanted to have a model more like this, you know. But that's a good change as well, because I just wanted to have comfy shoes, and they're really, really comfy. So, and they're really comfy. So, yeah, that's my new babies.
I can't stop the rain, but I will keep you dry.